Parmesan cheese health benefits and risks. Parmesan cheese is rich in several vitamins and minerals, but potassium isn't one of them. You'll get a minuscule amount of potassium, but add Parmesan cheese to your diet for the other nutrients it contains. Just don't eat too much of it, because it can be high in saturated fat and sodium. An ounce of Parmesan cheese contains just 26 milligrams of potassium. That's less than 1% of the 4,700 milligrams of this crucial mineral that you need to have each day. 1 ounce of Parmesan cheese supplies 336 milligrams of calcium. That's 34% of the 1,000 milligrams you need each day for strong bones and healthy teeth. The same portion of Parmesan cheese delivers 197 milligrams of phosphorus, which is 28% of the 700 milligrams you should aim for on a daily basis. Parmesan cheese contains saturated fat and sodium, both of which increase your risk for high blood pressure, heart disease and stroke. If you're healthy, that's 20% of the 2,300 milligrams of sodium you should limit yourself to each day. If you have heart disease or are over the age of 50, you shouldn't have more than 1,500 milligrams of sodium per day, and a serving of Parmesan cheese clocks in at 30% of that limit. Look for reduced fat and low sodium versions to improve the nutritional value. Sprinkle these healthier versions over pasta, tossed green salad or soup. Shave Parmesan cheese into a sandwich or scatter it over scrambled eggs or quiche.